Hello friends, myself Nitin and welcome to my channel Megapixel Beast. Today we achieved milestone that our channel hits 2000 watch hour on YouTube. So thanks for your love and appreciation. Today we are gonna test the camera of a Realme 8 Pro. This will help you to know about newly added features in a Realme 8 Pro. It contains 108 MP test, zoom test, video and portrait mode test. So watch this video till end. Please go and check recent camera reviews and photography tutorials. Do subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for latest update. Before testing camera, have a look on camera specifications. Realme 8 Pro comes with quad camera setup with 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 4 cm ultra macro lens and black and white lens. The camera has Samsung sensor. It is having large sensor and max resolution 12,000 into 9,000 pixels. Let's perform zoom test. Here I am using Realme 8 Pro inbuilt camera app. You can see zoom tab above the click button. We can directly switch from normal view to 20x zoom with the help of zoom slider. We will start zooming from 1x till 20x. After that we will compare it with each other. As you can see here, I am getting crisp image after 5x zoom. The palace which you are watching in mobile is approximately 1 km from my current location. As you know that this is not optical zoom, but it is giving much more quality than other phones. Basically 20x zoom was recently added in Realme 8 Pro, because in my Realme 3 Pro I was able to zoom till 10x. Here you can see zoom power and the final result of a Realme 8 Pro. We get better quality in picture. Photos are having good sharpness. Our second test is 108 megapixel test. So without wasting time, let's perform 108 megapixel test. Here I am shooting Sandhya Math from my Realme 8 Pro. Please note that 108 MP does not support zooming. For high resolution, you can prefer 108 megapixel mode. This phone comes with 108 megapixel primary camera. This option is available in your inbuilt camera app. The size of every picture clicked from 108 MP will be around 20 MB. Here you can see quality of photo with such crisp details. I can say that 108 MP done great job. I will definitely prefer this mode for landscape and street photography. Our third test is ultra wide test. Realme 8 Pro comes with 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. Let's check wide view and compare it with normal view. The field of view of ultra wide angle lens is 119 degree. I always like to click ultra wide angle photos. If you also in love with ultra wide angle view, then this is the best camera for you. I am also sharing more results of ultra wide angle lens. You will get good sharpness and less distorted image from this camera. For preserving highlights, you need to lower down exposure and you will get a proper exposed photo. Here you can compare ultra wide angle lens photos with 5x zoom. Here you can see final results. It gives better sharpness for a nearer subject. Our next test is macro test. Realme 8 Pro is having 4 cm distance ultra macro lens. You can capture macro details from this lens. You can find this option in more section. As you can see here, macro lens is also performing good. You will able to capture such macro details very nicely. But you will get low resolution image. So overcoming this point, you can use your primary camera with 2x zoom. You will get equivalent details with more resolution. Here you can see final result of a ultra macro lens. Our next test is a portrait mode test. Portrait mode of a Realme 8 Pro equipped with lot of amazing features, which will enhance your picture to another level. Here you can see portrait mode user interface. You can adjust bokeh while capturing. Realme always provided better edge detection in a portrait mode. You will get amazing option in filters like dynamic bokeh, neon portrait, AL color portrait. Here you can see final results of portrait mode. Let's perform some video tests. Realme 8 Pro can shoot 4K 30fps video. For 1080p, it can shoot in 60fps and 30fps. For ultra wide angle video, we can shoot up to 1080p 30fps. This video mode is having electronic image stabilization. We can use stabilization for better stability of video. Realme 8 Pro is also having live bokeh mode, which will be helpful for vlogs. Video mode also having more features: AL color portrait, forest green, sky blue and many more filters. Here we can see result of 1080p 30fps and ultra wide angle 1080p 30fps. Here you can see video shot on 1080p 60fps. If you apply filters like sky blue, forest green, you will get results like this. Our last test is movie mode. Realme 8 Pro features movie mode in inbuilt camera app. This mode allows you full control on video settings. You can switch from normal to ultra wide on single touch, as well as you can get stabilization option in it. You can activate grid lines in video for your composition. You can change exposure, focus, white balance, shutter speed and ISO as per your requirement. This will helpful for creating cinematic video because it allows more control on settings. If you are interested in videos, then this is the best option for you. Inbuilt camera app also having starry mode, dual view mode, slow motion, time lapse, AL mixed portrait, expert, panorama and text scanner. We will test these all features in next video. Stay tuned for next video because I am going to upload new video on photography tutorials. If you feel this video is helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.